Anyone can make money with this method. It doesn't matter where you live in the world. This is one of the easiest ways you can make money online even if you are a newbie. This doesn't require you to sell anything. It's not about affiliate marketing. You don't need social media followers, and no technical experience is required. You only need to copy and paste texts. And if you stay until the end of this video, you will be able to make a lot more money because I will be showing you 3 additional websites from which you can get paid. But first, welcome to Money Palav, where we teach you how to make money online in the most straightforward way possible. Now, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and that the notification bell is turned on. So you'll be notified anytime we post a new video on how to generate money online, and you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and let us know if you have any complaints, questions, or comments. Please don't be shy and write a comment below. Let's return to the video now. With that being said, so let us start from here. So I will show you how you can use Google in order to get paid over and over again. So everything will only require less than 30 minutes. For some reason, if PayPal is not working in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, then you can possibly select other payment options as well. So if you don't want to get through PayPal, you can select different payment options such as bank transfer, Payoneer, etc. Anyways, now let's begin with step number 1. Come over to your browser and go to the official Google News website by typing news.google.com. This is a location where you can discover the most up-to-date news and articles on a variety of topics from across the world. It's similar to a newspaper in that you can find anything here: politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and anything else you can think of. It can be found on this webpage. So how are you going to earn money off of this? How are you going to get your free PayPal money while you wait to see how this works? So on the left, you'll see all of the categories. You know what's going on in the world. This is about what is going on in the world at the moment. We won't go into detail about your local news, but that is not why we are here. We only here to make money with it. You merely want to concentrate on the categories of business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and, most importantly, health. You can see, for example, that if I select the health category, I'll get all of the most recent news and articles pertaining to health. So let's scroll through this page and see what we can find. So I'm interested in this article, which was just recently published, and it's a really nice article that a lot of people would want to read. So all you have to do now is open one article. Don't worry, you won't have to write articles, and you won't have to sell anything either. This has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any other type of marketing. Simply open the article and begin copying content from it. For instance, I'm going to copy this one right here. And I'll go on to step 3 and the next website we'll be using. You will need to copy and paste the article you found on Google News. To Quillbot, it will rewrite the article for you, allowing you to have the entire article written in your own words, making it truly unique. You'll be able to use those articles on 3 other websites, which I'll share with you. Those websites will compensate you for your articles. Some of them will pay you $1 for each word you write. As you can see, those articles can be thousands of words long if you can do the math. Once you have found the article, simply copy the article and go to Quillbot and paste it into this box. Then click Paraphrase. That's going to completely rewrite the content for you. As you can see, the context is nearly identical, yet the words are different. It uses synonyms and rewrites it in your own words so you can have the unique article. Read the article and make sure it's okay. And now you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. The first website that we will be using is Copyhackers. You can submit your own articles on copyhackers.com. You can write articles for this website and get paid up to $300 to $1,000 for doing that. Now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, you can simply use Google News and Quillbot to create unique and high-quality articles, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. So this is the first website, and it remains 2 websites. So just on this website, you can get paid up to $300 to $1,000 per article, which only took you less than 30 minutes. Copy-pasting. Now, how do you actually submit your articles so you can get paid here on this page? You will just need to scroll a little bit down below until you can find the section where you can find Contact Us, so you can just contact them with your name and your email address here. Tell them about article submission or something along with your article details, and just attach the file with your own article which you created. After you have sent the message, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. They will ask you if you want to get paid through PayPal, then send your PayPal email address, or you want to get paid through bank transfer, then send them your bank details. Same way for other payment methods. Your options are endless because there are new articles in Google News that are coming in every couple of hours, so you can use those articles and continue making money. Rewrite the articles with Quillbot, copy and paste them into a Word document, or save them to your computer and submit them to these websites. After Copy Hackers, the sierraclub.org is the next website where you can submit your articles. Here on their website, simply follow these guidelines to submit your articles to this website. Simply visit the Contact Us page, and then simply email them at this email address, which you may copy and paste into your email account. Include your contact information and a topic line about your article, and then simply send your article. You can also be able to submit articles related to technology or science to sierraclub.org in addition to health and fitness. So, open a science article, copy the text, paste it into Quillbot, and have it rewritten for you before sending it to sierraclub.org's email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is narratively.com. To understand what type of articles Narratively publishes, articles related to human stories, technology, science, and many submissions. Just be sure that your story is long-form, gripping, and has strong narrative elements. This website will pay you a little bit less money, about $300 to $400 per article, but it's still a good one to use because you can earn some additional income and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will ask you only for up to 2,000 words. So, it is not as high. As the last two websites, it is still a good deal. It's not bad to earn $300 to $400 per article because it adds up rapidly. You will be able to earn more money if you submit more articles to these websites. Of course, not every article will be accepted, but even if you only get one every day, that's hundreds, if not thousands per day. Simply copying and pasting. It was all completely free, and there is no need to wait. This method can be applied right now. To summarize this, you should go to news.google.com. Choose a category on the left, then pick an article that interests you, open the article, copy the content, spin it using Quillbot to make it unique, then submit it. You can repeat this process forever and earn a significant amount of money. I hope you found this video helpful, and that's all I have to say before we leave. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and click on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.